Imagine this. You wake up one day and realize you've just stepped into the future, or the past. Sounds like the plot of a blockbuster sci-fi movie, right? But what if I told you that time travel isn't just a fantasy, but a scientific possibility? Buckle up, because today, we're diving deep into the crazy world of time travel. We'll explore the science behind it, the theories that support it, and even what could go wrong if you ever decided to take a trip. But before we go any further, have you ever wondered? What would you do if you could travel through time? Would you warn yourself about your terrible high school haircut? Or maybe go back and make your life decisions? Like not ghosting your friend who wanted to grab coffee at 3 p.m.? Let's get into it. Stick around. The best part is yet to come. First things first, is time travel even possible? And if it is, how would it work? Well, let's start with the basics. According to Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not a constant. In fact, time is flexible. Yes, like a rubber band, but less stretchy. Now, don't fall asleep just yet. Well, Einstein proposed that time could actually slow down or speed up depending on your speed. That's right. If you traveled near the speed of light, you'd age slower than people on Earth. Think about it. You could be traveling through space and come back 50 years later, but everyone around you would have aged 50 years in just a few hours. Pretty mind-blowing, right? But don't pack your bags just yet. Here's the catch. No one has actually achieved light-speed travel. Which brings us to a question. What's the closest we've come to proving time travel is possible? Ready for the mind-bending stuff? Let's talk about wormholes. Imagine a shortcut through space and time, like a cosmic tunnel that connects two distant points in space-time. A wormhole could, theoretically, allow someone to travel vast distances in a short period of time. Think of it like a cheat code for the universe. Now, scientists like Kip Thorne, the Nobel-winning physicist, have shown that wormholes might exist. But there's always a catch, isn't there? Wormholes are unstable. So unstable, in fact, that if you tried to step through one, you might be squished like a pancake in a cosmic blender. And then there's black holes, which are the universe's ultimate mystery. Picture this, a massive collapsing star, sucking in everything around it, including light. But here's the kicker. Could black holes actually be gateways to different dimensions or times? Imagine going into a black hole and coming out, somewhere else. Some scientists argue this could be the ultimate way to time travel. But before you start planning your black hole vacation, remember, you'd never come back. You'd be shredded apart at the event horizon. Ouch. So, I guess we'll pass on that trip for now? So, what if you do manage to master time travel? Now comes the fun part. The paradoxes. Ever heard of the grandfather paradox? Picture this. You go back in time and, accidentally or intentionally, stop your grandfather from meeting your grandmother. What happens? You're never born. But wait, if you were never born, how could you have gone back in time in the first place? It's like the ultimate cosmic catch-22, and it's a problem scientists can't quite solve. Then there's the butterfly effect, where one tiny change in the past could cause massive shifts in the future. What if you save someone from an accident in the past, only to discover that doing so triggers a series of disastrous events that completely change your future? Imagine you accidentally stopped a historical event like the invention of pizza. Would you still have pizza? And more importantly, would you still be you without it? But hold on. What if there's a way to time travel without breaking the universe? Could there be a hidden method, hidden deep in the equations of the universe? Some scientists think so. And what if I told you there's a chance it's all been right in front of us this whole time? All right, time travelers, let's wrap it up. Whether we're talking about wormholes, black holes, or crazy paradoxes, time travel is one of the most fascinating possibilities out there. We've only scratched the surface, and there's still so much more to uncover. So, let me ask you again. If you could time travel, would you go to the past to fix mistakes? Or maybe to the future to see if flying cars are really a thing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe so we can keep exploring the mysteries of the universe, one wild theory at a time. Until next time, keep dreaming beyond words.